riding, shooting and booting and four-wheel scooting, meeting and greeting and hanging with the dog, and we trash no land. We trash no land. We're climbing and diving and swimming in the hole, floating and boating and fishing with the pole, camping and hunting. We like to do it all, and we trash no land. We trash no land. When playtime comes, we don't need to ask.
We're packing in our gear and taking out our trash.
We're loving public lands and the freedoms that we have.
If you mess up my land, I'm gonna kick you in the trash.
Trash no land. We trash no land. Public lands and the freedoms that we have.
If you mess up my land, I'm gonna kick you in the trash.
Trash no land. Trash no land. Trash no land. We trash no land. Trash no land. We trash no land. Trash no land.
This is the forest. This ain't no sanitation landfill. Does your mama live here? I didn't think so. Pick it up. Goodness gracious, what are you shooting at? Trees ain't no backstop. Take your target off that tree. Buy yourself a target stand. Don't you leave that here. You brought it in, you take it out. Respect the privilege. Show some pride. Clean up that mess.